on the agenda today. Some cleanup with the skid steer, and hopefully this big Ponderosa back here with the top out of it. A friend of mine, Brian's coming out, and hopefully Brian can take that tree down for us. That's right on the property line, and there's power lines behind it, so Brian's a bit more of a professional than we are at taking trees down.
Good job.
The other part of my day today is going to just be do some cleanup and trying to move all the firewood into one pile and kind of just clean the side up here a little bit, and then hopefully it doesn't get too muddy. So we're kind of in that edge of things drying out to the ground being pretty moist. So let's get to it.
go get it. Can you see it? Right there. You just stepped on it. Right here. Look. Look on the ground. Oh, look at that, Bo. What is it that you found? Can you show me? Well, that's a stick. I think the other thing's cooler. What is that? Is that an antler? Yeah. Good job. Well, I just wanted to give you a quick update. Past my 4-week mark on the hernia surgery. Everything healed up nicely. I don't have any pain, anything like that. So, got big plans for the next few weekends and days off. We've been busy cleaning up and kind of preparing for the barn site. So, good looking sandy material here. Lots of round rock. Good drainage. Not a lot of clay, but looks like we had to go down there, maybe 30 inches. So I have an excavator rented, kind of a large mini or a small mid-size. Got one that's 18,000 pounds coming. And it's coming in about 10 days. And so plan on having the barn layout excavated and then move some material in and compact it. I rented a roller that day also. So we'll see how far we get. We have it rented for the weekend. So pretty good accomplishment there. Erik has been working on a little access road on the back piece of the property here to bring material and logs and just a trail and things. So this whole piece right here is new, and he's done a lot of cleaning. So very real thankful for that. Also have gotten the big Ponderosa pine that Brian fell out of here and cleaned up. All the snags and dead material for the most part are cleaned up back here along the property line. So hopefully basically leave this as is. Plan on planting a few trees in this area. Also have a fair number of volunteers that are in here, but I'm gonna plant some spruces that will be a little more bushy at the bottom that the deer won't take care of. So back here where Erik kind of put in this access road or trail, it'll just be more of a trail. You could run a pickup down it if you wanted to during the good times of the year, but it'll run there behind the barn and then link up with the power line easement there. So, but he has taken some material out here. That mostly was some dead standing lodgepole. So I'll pick through there and get the firewood logs out of it. I got a few dead snags that need to come out yet there. And then those two there also need to come out. Have a mess with this one that blew out, top blew out and then landed in that clump of birch. Like to save that birch, but the top's clear up there, tangled in that other aspen, or I think that's what that is, an aspen. Maybe it's a birch. So anyway, that's not sure how to tackle that, but got a few things to do today. Still lots more cleaning dead material back through here, but as of now, if we can get what we have done this spring here, while we still have a few days left, we will have pretty successful winter time, spring logging activity.